Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most out today's news. Fabrizio Romano will be one of our monitoring spirits. So Baron Komasakon they let us know say David Raya deal to Arsenal. Say the deal video completed in the next 24 to 48 hours. So you can expatiate for I can talk say Arsenal they very close to agreeing a deal against with Brentford because Arsenal already offered £23 million, and as it stands now, Brentford they talk say they need at least £30 million. So which means the difference in our valuation and their valuation is just like maybe £7 million. So like I told you guys before, Arsenal they offer like kind of 25 million and a £5 million in add-ons to make sure say they conclude this deal, because when you look at it, this our Matt Turner is very close according to reports over the year for the media space. Is very close to joining a Nottingham Forest, and just ask me how much £7 million deal. Now this guy won't join Nottingham Forest for. I'm not even forget how much you buy. We're not at $5 million. I'm not saying the money will they buy and sell. They very cheap. So at the end of the day, since we needed an upgrade, that is why I won't send the guy go there. Nottingham Forest they did very happy because it no really cost them so much, because now Dean Henderson of Manchester United then we won't get, and it's like that one self. Like the fee can be higher than our own, and this one like you are getting a second choice goalkeeper at Arsenal. So what more could you ask for? So that one will just enter there, be the number one, and this guy is like number one choice for United States of America. So they are getting this fair bargain. Alright, surprisingly, Brighton and Ajax don't agree a fee of €40 million to sign Mohamed Kudus. Now this one don't come in, so what's it going to remain according to David Ornstein, because this news now exclusive from David Ornstein. Even Fabrizio Romano never saw this coming, because yesterday Fabrizio Romano they busy they post say Arsenal they monitor Mohamed Kudus because of Gabriel Jesus injury. You don't know say behind the scenes some kind of things they go on. Say Brighton just moves like a snake, nobody saw them coming. You get go discuss with Ajax, agree the fee, because Brighton they hope say if Chelsea pay them the £100 million valuation with them won't get from Casado, then they will carry €40 million, they will about 34 point something million pounds, carry and go pay for the player, go get that. Now personal terms never they agree, because it is now left for the player to decide, okay, I want to join Brighton or wait for the big dogs to come in the future, like maybe Arsenal or Chelsea, because Arsenal and Chelsea actually still want to get him, but Chelsea they really say if they finish Casado, then they will turn their attention to Kudus. Arsenal they really say if they can sell off some people, then they will turn their attention to Kudus. So Brighton can't take that leeway, get that gap, get go scatter the deal, go get the guys don't already agree deal with Ajax. So what's the remain now? Make Kudus agree personal terms. So we'll just the watch. If Kudus actually wants to go to Brighton, he go accept personal terms. But for me, I would say moving for Ajax to Brighton is a step lower, because at Ajax you are enjoying Champions League football, you are like you're doing a lot of things. So moving to Brighton, who are not really in Champions League, how would Kudus see it? Yes. So now what's me are the reason, but more just a watch, because if you don't move to Brighton, call use Brighton as a step up to move to a bigger team in the future, because Brighton they see themselves as a springboard to help players move to greater heights. So let's just keep watching. But man, no like this one it shocked me, like I'm surprised. Alright, so Paul Merson will be Arsenal legend. Don't come outside on the talk say for this Community Shield where they go play today, Arsenal versus Manchester City, that he's seen Arsenal defeating Man City and him they see 2-1, because like I said yesterday, this match means a lot to Arsenal more than Man City. Pep done the like downgrading team, say Arsenal started pre-season 2 weeks before them started late. Like they talk some kind of things to make people say, hey yeah, Man City know they're ready. Nobody believe that one. When match starts, you say we go shock, especially when Arsenal no can get Gabriel Jesus for their ranks, so we will help them run things. So that's something we can't do. Like we no get choice. We got use people who get, but we'll just decide everything will be. Alright, so away from that, so still talking about this Wembley match where Arsenal will play. So you know say today now Arsenal will play Community Shield. So if you ask me how I see the match unfolding, make I no lie for you. This one with the Jesus no day. I just feel we are somehow weaker. It gets in the front with this summer week, but we'll just watch how everything will turn out. Because I don't say the match no go dey easy for us. Imagine playing against the best team in the world, you get, and themselves they see this match as final because Pep talk am say this is a final, and them they know they're in the right shape, but they have the right mentality to win it because they know how to win finals. Like he said a lot. So for us, Ateta said don't come out and talk say this is like the best time to beat Man City. Like come on, you don't think we never beat these guys, so let us do it. So myself I go like what could beat Man City, but make I don't like for you, it no go easy, but we'll just be watching everything will turn out. For me, I don't know what to predict on the match. What's your own prediction? I can see this match on it. But Messi not also will win 2-1. For me, I cannot lie for you. My head just blank. I don't know what I will be predict. I just keep my mind open. Anything will happen, fine and good. Alright, even as I went myself, when they talk about this community shield, where they go play today. So, Baba when they talk say Arsenal need to overcome their mental block. You get their mental block against Man City to defeat Man City at the community shield. Now, what kind of mental block are you talking about? That perception, that belief that Man City is better than us, that Man City is the best team in the world, like giving them so much respect instead of coming out and playing and believing that this is actually 11 versus 11. You get, so that mental block, we need to come out and not to panic. You get, play them, no fear. Yeah, now see when guys just they talk, when guys they talk tough. Yeah, so me I see points when waiting they talk about you know go easy. That's just the truth, because there is no way you go play Man City panic, especially individual mistakes. My mom will say if we can avoid individual mistakes from players, from the keeper, we will go fast. Because most times when they watch we and Man City, we dey gift them goals, like easy goals. We dey gift them goals. Even one of the battles I want to really see is the battle between Saliba and Haaland. I want to see that battle because I know when I watch it, Holding versus Haaland destroy Holding. Haaland versus Gabriel Magalhaes destroy Magalhaes. So that's Saliba. I want to see the Saliba versus Haaland. Especially now when Saliba is coming fresh. You get, no injury, no nothing. Is there Rolls Royce? I want to see that. So today is going to be an exhibition. Haaland versus Saliba. People don't speculate about this battle for a very, very long time. So today we are going to be seeing it for 90 minutes. Look at the way Rudiger of Real Madrid handled Erling Haaland. Handled him perfectly. Gave him no breathing space. He did nothing against Real Madrid. So look at it this way. So we'll just watch. Alright, for the media setting, they're going to ask Ateta about all this Saudi Arabia, how they take the poach players, yes, they carry them from EPL. So Ateta can talk to truly in the worried. Number one, what is making me worried now? The fact is Saudi Arabia, their transfer window, it will still be open even after EPL don't close at the end of August. All this means is they can still use their money and poach our players, and when they poach our players and take our players, we will not be able to replace such players because our transfer window has been short. So now what to make Ateta the world? Just imagine say August don't pass, Saudi Arabia, or maybe now September be their own expiration date. They can't come for maybe party, give them like one money, you'll be able to turn in head, offer us like 50 million, ask that sanction, how do we replace that kind of players? Or maybe they get another player, how do we replace that person? So now waiting Ateta the fear. And for me, this Saudi Arabia, I don't just understand their plan. It's just too much money just they like. There is nothing like for nothing about Europe now. I go see all those like we for FIFA now, I go see all those financial fair play for their own side. And nothing like that day, so they can offer anything they like. Imagine the kind of outrageous money they wanted to give Mbappe to come and play for just 1 year. Wow, life no balance. Alright, so I said I let you know say Barcelona could terminate Ike Gundogan's contract just even before he starts playing. And see the issue here. Barcelona no fit register Ike Gundogan as of now. Like they bought him now, but they never register him like this. It's not their player. Like he cannot play when the league start. In fact, Barcelona never even register up to 15 players for this season because they are having financial woes. And the administration of La Liga don't give them money. This is the major reason why Messi no join Barca, because you know one institution where I go agree say I go join you now. At the end of the day, una no go feel register me because una get issues. Now we need to sell some players to reduce una wage bill, all those things. Now there's a clause in Ike Gundogan's contract that if you don't register me between now and August 12th, I will be able to leave as a free agent. Like my contract is null and void. I will be able to go. So we just watch how Barcelona want to do everything, because now that they've lost Dembele, they still need to buy to replace Dembele. Otherwise, they'll be left with like where Javi already talk say their wingers don't they reduce, like they need to replace those that have left, and at the same time those that they have bought, they need to register them. So we'll just watch at everything they go. So the worst case scenario is he goes out as a free agent. What next? Is Arsenal going to go for him again as a free agent? So we'll just see how everything going. Alright, Danny Murphy also come and talk say him interview Declan Rice. So Rice gonna let him know the role wey him go play for Arsenal. Now, from the look of things, from what Danny Murphy dey talk, if we have to believe him, Danny Murphy works with Sky's Talk Sports. So if we have to believe him, wetin Baba dey talk now be say Rice wants to play a creative role. You get? So he wants to create chances, he wants to score more goals, running into the opposition defense, and this is that Shaka role, by intro, which means you seeing Partey and Rice play at the same time, no be just flow, which means Arteta fit wan experiment on that and build on that. So that's what we want, because the kind of role wey Rice dey play for West Ham na defending role, but for Arsenal it's going to play a more attacking role. From wetin Daniel Murphy dey talk say Rice tell am, you get, and this one go allow Thomas Partey to keep his place in the squad. Well, whether na so e go be, whether no be so e go be, na till when we start the Community Shield and when we start the season, we go come see how we will set up our own thing. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen, you see the thumbnail. Click am so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out, and happy Sunday.